Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up alerts in Excel. First, open your Excel workbook and identify the data range you want to monitor. Understanding your data is key to effective alerts. We'll explore how to define specific conditions, like a cell value exceeding a certain threshold, to automatically highlight important information. This process helps you stay informed about critical changes in your spreadsheets, saving you valuable time and ensuring you don't miss anything important. Let's start with basic conditional formatting, a powerful tool for visual alerts. Begin by selecting the cells you wish to monitor. Then, go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. From there, choose Highlight Cells rules and pick a rule such as greater than. You can then input your specific value, like $1,000, and select a formatting style. This will automatically change the appearance of cells that meet your criteria, providing an immediate visual cue. For more sophisticated alerts, you can use formulas within conditional formatting. This allows you to create rules based on multiple conditions or comparisons between different cells. For instance, you could set up a rule to highlight an entire row if a value in one column is less than a value in another, or if a project deadline is approaching within 5 days. This method offers greater flexibility, enabling highly customized alerts tailored to your specific data analysis needs. Excel alerts have numerous practical applications. You can use them to track inventory, highlighting items when stock falls below 20 units, or to monitor sales performance, flagging any sales figures below a target of $2,500. Remember to name your rules clearly for easy management. It's also a good practice to regularly review and update your alert conditions to ensure they remain relevant to your current goals. This keeps your spreadsheets dynamic and highly responsive to your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.